Like most of you watching, I have this deep desire to be financially free, to exit the rat race and live life on my own terms, to do what I want when I want. I want to create a financial legacy for my family, right? I don't want to have to think twice about going to a fancy restaurant for date night. I want to be a millionaire. But who doesn't, right? To become a millionaire, you have to have a plan. And in this video, I'm going to share my plan to make $250,000 over the next 12 months. And this might sound crazy to you, but honestly, it sounds crazy to me too. But I don't care. Call me crazy, call me all the words, I'm gonna do it anyway. But I wanted to present it publicly as a challenge for myself, but also in a way that if any of you watching this has a desire similar to mine, you wanna be financially free, you wanna be wealthy, you wanna create a financial legacy for your family, I wanted to do it in a way that this video might inspire you to get started, might inspire you to accomplish something similar, to aim high and try. I'm here now and I'm aiming high. $250,000 over the next year would be life-changing, but I know what I'm capable of and that the first step is to start, and $250,000 is really just the beginning. And I hope to inspire somebody else to be willing to take the leap of faith and to get started, and that might be you. I encourage you to do it. Join me in this journey. Join me in this crazy journey, right? You survey 1,000 people and 999 of them are going to tell you that you're crazy. They'll tell me I'm crazy, but I don't care. Here I am. Be inspired. Watch my wins, watch my losses, my ups and my downs. I'm sure there are going to be plenty of negative. There's going to be plenty of wins too to share about. And I'm extremely excited about this, right? I'm excited to share every step along the way. And that's why I'm here, right? I want more, so I'm going to go get more. I've put a plan in place to achieve more, not just for me, but for my family, for the people around me, for my community, to give back, right? Get more to give more. So I'm super excited about this. I'm stoked about this video. I'm so glad you're here watching it. I believe that you clicked on this video because maybe you have something inside of you that's burning, some little inkling, some little hope that you can achieve more. Well, I'm right there with you. You're going to learn in this video that I'm nothing special. I'm no smarter than you. I'm no more capable of you. I might be 1 or 2 steps ahead of you in that I started and I'm here now, but I believe you can too. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, so the main focus and the foundation of my business is going to be YouTube. And in particular, this YouTube channel that you're watching right now. This is where I'll be making videos about personal development, business, and the best ways to make money online, like affiliate marketing, various side hustles, ways to leverage AI and building a personal brand, content creation, all that good stuff. My goal on YouTube is to generate at least $100,000 in ad revenue over the next 12 months. See, the other social media platforms out there are great for making money online as a content creator, but YouTube is king. And that's because of YouTube's partnership program. For those of you who don't know, creators on YouTube earn money when people watch ads on their videos. YouTube and the creator split the revenue from these ads. 55% go to the creator and the rest go to YouTube. The amount of money that the creator makes really depends on the type of content that they're creating. The average CPM, or the amount of money that creators get for every 1,000 views on YouTube, is about $2 to $4. So channels that create cat or celebrity videos out there, that's typically the CPM they see. But in other niches like business and finance, where the advertisers have a higher budget, the CPM can increase significantly. Now, my goal over the next 90 days is to be averaging about 500,000 views a month. So considering the type of videos I'll be making at a conservative $15 CPM, I'll be generating about $7,500 a month in ad revenue alone. I say conservative because other creators in similar niche that I've chosen, they can make anywhere from about $20 to $45 CPM, since their main focus is business and finance. So even at the same goal of 500,000 views per month, at a $30 CPM, I'll be averaging about $15,000 per month in ad revenue, which over a 9-month period is about $135,000 total. And using the same math, but increasing the monthly view count, you can see that the compound effect here is really significant. Now, trust me, on this side of the mountain, those numbers seem pretty unachievable. But I've studied dozens and dozens of successful YouTubers out there, and I've come to realize that they're really not any smarter than I am. They didn't start out any more privileged than I am now. But the important thing they did do is something that I've recently done, and that's start. And then they kept going. They showed up day after day and got better and better. And eventually that compound effect really set in. 5 videos turned to 20 videos, turned to 40 videos, 100,000 views a month, turned to 500,000, turned to 1 million. And next thing they know, they're pulling in 10, 15, 50, $100,000 a month in ad revenue alone. So I'll just do the same thing as them. I'll show up every day, create high quality videos, 2 to 3 a week, get better and better, keep showing up. And over a long period of time, I'm going to expect great things and expect great results. Okay, so the next leg of my strategy is affiliate marketing. When you start and build a channel on YouTube, and it starts gaining traction and a lot of views and attention like I'm building on YouTube right now, affiliate marketing really is a no-brainer. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is where you promote a brand or product that you use that's related to the content that you share about, and using a unique link, when someone purchases that product or that service using that link, you get a commission. Pretty straightforward. There are many platforms that make this process easy, like ClickBank and Impact.com, or you can sign up with a brand directly and they'll provide you with a custom link. For example, Notion and Blinkist are SaaS tools that I use on a daily basis and I really believe in. I use Notion to organize my workflows and my systems and to keep me organized, what books I'm reading, what movies I'm watching, the projects I'm working on, the videos I'm creating. And Blinkist is a book summary app that I use to digest the meat and potatoes of about 500 books per year. Meat and potatoes. I use these products every day. I truly believe in them. So these are two examples of products that I would most gladly promote and hopefully see commissions when people sign up for their services. Since they're products I really believe in and I use them daily, I'll add my unique link in the description of just about every video. I link these tools and a few more down below so you can see what I'm talking about, and I can illustrate just how powerful and simple affiliate marketing is. And it's how I plan to generate another $100,000 in revenue over the next 12 months by promoting similar brands just like the ones you'll see below. The final leg of my plan of generating $250,000 over the next 12 months is brand sponsorships. Now this one's a little harder to predict in terms of rates and consistency, but I'm fairly confident in the back half of that 12 months, I will build enough reputation and enough views and a big enough audience to where I'll start attracting attention from companies that want to actually partner on specific videos. I'd love to work with brands directly like Shopify, Squarespace, Notion, Beehive. I love these tools. I've used them for years, and the opportunity to work with them directly would be such a blessing. I want to set the goal big here and say that I'll hit at least $50,000 in brand sponsorship deals over the next 12 months. You know, that could look like 10 spots at $5,000 each or 30 spots at $1,700 each. Who knows? You know, I've always been such a huge nerd when it comes to up and coming brands, anything in tech, fitness, supplements, clothing, apps, anything really. You know, if someone's building something cool and it's branded really well and they have a mission of helping a lot of people, I'm really an easy sell. But the idea of getting to share about and help market these brands and get compensated for it, that is really a lifelong dream of mine. And of course, I won't promote any product that I don't believe in or would be willing to try out and buy myself. I think that's pretty obvious. That's becoming more and more common. You know, legitimate creators out there don't want to shill BS and crap to their followers and their watchers. And I plan to do the exact same. If I'm promoting it, it's something I believe in, or it's something that I'd be willing to purchase with my own money. So some bonus legs to my strategy, but ones that I think are really important, is personal development and building a community. First, on personal development, I feel like growth is crucial. I'm very growth oriented. I have been for a long time. Learning to start and stick with healthy habits. I think that's really important, to have the mindset of remaining disciplined and seeing things through is crucial. Like, all these plans are worthless if I lose sight of personal development, right? Like developing myself to becoming better, smarter, stronger, more capable, more resilient, all those great things. All those other goals are useless if I forget about that. And I really plan on sharing kind of elements of what that looks like on this channel to help encourage you, help encourage anyone out there that's looking to do something similar. So personal development is really something that I enjoy, right? I want to enjoy the journey, all the ups, all the downs, all the wins, all the losses. And I know that this mindset is what will lead me to sustainable success in business, in making money online, in building a personal brand, and starting and leading a community. Right? So personal development, self-improvement are really important. And then the fifth bonus kind of leg to the strategy is building a community, right? I'm in no particular rush with this one, but I know it's an inevitable step to this whole process. You know, I've learned over the last year and a half or so that someone doesn't need 1 million followers to share $1 million value. I follow people on YouTube, X, Instagram, TikTok. They have a few thousand, maybe 10 or 50,000 followers, and they share pure gold, right? And the best thing is they might just be 3, 5, 10 steps ahead of me, right? They're not 500 or 1,000 steps ahead of me. So their journey and where they're at right now is really inspiring. Like me right now, I have under 2,000 subs on YouTube. I hope I can inspire someone who has 0, right? Who's just getting started. That's so important. So the idea of building a community early, I think the earlier the better. Like, you talk to people who have communities, they share, it's kind of a common theme that they wish they would have started earlier. So I've recently had conversations with myself that I need to do the same. I don't want to wait too long and down the road wish I would have done it sooner. If my story can help just one person start theirs, then all the discomfort and the awkwardness about not feeling qualified to start a community, it'll be worth it, right? It's worth it just for the one. So for now, I have my free email newsletter down below. Feel free to go and join it. But that's where I'll keep you updated on my wins, my losses, what's going on, what I'm working on, all that good stuff. The best part is that you will get a really close-up look at someone who is in the early stages of building a business online around content creation and who is hell-bent on winning. It's totally free and you can unsub at any time. Go check it out. Of course, there's no guarantee of outcomes, right? There's no guarantee. I'm not guaranteeing necessarily. The only thing I can guarantee is how much work will be necessary to accomplish these goals. And I can tell you one thing, I'm 100% willing to put that work in. It's all I can do, right? I have lofty goals of making X amount of money, but what's really great is I have goals, action goals. This is what I'm going to do. These are the number of videos I'm going to post. I'm going to post at least 2 videos a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. As of right now, that could change next week. I have action goals in place that increase my odds of the return goals. So the amount of subs, the amount of money made, right? I'm putting inputs to get outputs. I'm focusing though. My day-to-day is focused on the inputs. Writing, like thinking of ideas, writing out the scripts, shooting the videos, editing, posting, doing that day in and day out, you know, and then with a goal, I have to aim at something, right? If you aim at nothing, you're going to hit nothing, right? So I have a lofty goal, $250,000 over the next year, but it comes down to the actions, taking action. But I look back about a year and a half, that's when I actually officially started my YouTube journey. I started seeing some early wins, but life happened. I had recently just had a baby. I got let go from my job. Some other opportunities kind of showed their face and I kind of hopped on those and I let YouTube fall, you know, by the wayside and I lost sight of it. Right? If I get so frustrated and it's so motivating now, because if I look back, if I would have just stuck with it, where would I be today? Who knows? Maybe I would have hit 100,000 subs. I don't know, right? I was turned on at that point, but I gave up. But I can guarantee you, I'm not going to do that again. That's so motivating. Like past failures is motivating. Like I will not repeat that mistake. My eyes are set forward. I have action goals in place. I have lofty goals that I'm aiming at, and I'm planning on hitting every one. Maybe even surpassing them, right? When I hit them or surpass them, I'm going to set even loftier goals. People can laugh at me even more, right? People can make fun of me or judge me or say that, you know, I'm crazy for having these goals, but whatever, right? I'm not going to go another year and a half and look back and go, man, if I would have stuck with it. Not again. They said the best time to plant a tree is 10 years ago, but the second best time is right now. And that's why I'm here. And hopefully that's why you're here. I encourage you to do the same. Plant that tree today. Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't wait until next week. Whatever your dream is, whatever your goal is, start right now. I'm right here with you. I'm here for the journey. I hope you join in mine. Share your thoughts down, your support, your negative thoughts down in the comments below. I'd love to hear all of it. I appreciate you watching what I believe will be a cornerstone video to this channel, right? Something to look back on in a year from now and truly celebrate. Who knows what it'll look like in a year from now? It could be 100,000 subscribers. It could be 200,000. Who knows? Again, I'm aiming high, but I know this video will be important. And I'm super appreciative that you've stayed along and watched this whole thing. Do me a favor, follow along on this journey, help keep me accountable. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button while you're at it, and I'll see you in the next one.